Ellie. Ellie. Look at Molly and apologise. Ellie. Ellie. Look over there and apologise. Ellie, apologise. Elsie, apologise. Oi, apologise to Molly. Apologise. Come on. Look at each other. Come on. Look over there. Come in. Have you made up now? Come in. Come in. Ellie. Come on, right in. Come right in. Good girl. So you've made up now? That's good. So you don't hate each other anymore? Okay, that's good.